Welcome to the virtual tour of Unit 4 at 90 Oriel Road in Ivanhoe. This property is located at the far end of the complex in a group of 4 townhouses. As we enter the unit, the first entry point is either a separate living area or a home study space with stairs over to the left-hand side and then entering into the living room. Also downstairs we have the laundry with a separate toilet as well. As we leave the laundry, we've got a bit of storage under the staircase, and then it opens up to a living area, fully tiled, ducted heating, 2 lots of double screen doors to take you out to the backyard. The kitchen with lots of overhead cupboards, gas appliances and dishwasher. The backyard is very low maintenance. There is a little bit of patio area, pavement, very low maintenance garden beds, artificial grass, and a back door into the single remote lock-up garage. As we go upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms upstairs as well as the shared bathroom. There is also not 1 but 2 storage areas in the upstairs hallway. The upstairs master bedroom, carpeted, ducted heating, double wardrobes. It faces the back end of the unit over the courtyard. And has a private ensuite. Mirror, single basin, shower and toilet. Now we are visiting the second bathroom, which is the main bathroom in the middle of the 2 bedrooms. Again, single basin, full wall-to-wall mirror. This bathroom has a bath with the shower over the top of the bath. And it's quite nice and bright in here. Last but not least is the second bedroom. Both bedrooms are a really good size. Carpeted, ducted heating and wardrobes.